To get your dream life, you need to believe it is possible. Everything comes from belief. If you don't believe something, how do you expect to get it? Your reality will always shift to what you believe about it. Manifestation is one of the most powerful ways to get what you want. Look, from your childhood, you've been getting wrong truths about you drummed in by other people around you. For example, that you're too shy or not good at something. And those maybe occasional behavior wasn't the truth at that point. But because they repeated it that often, you started to believe in those things and they became your reality. But what if you used it to your advantage and did the same with your dream life? If you thought about it and talked about it with yourself and repeated it that often that your subconscious mind also believed it, you're doing exactly the same thing, except that you shift what it is that you put into your subconscious mind and what fruits you will get. And the way to manifest your dream life is to visualize it. Visualize how you're already walking on a street in a city you want to live in, and how you're feeling in your dream life. And the point is, already, you need to feel it. You need to visualize your dream life as if you already had it. Because if you imagine it all through the perspective of that you want it so badly and that you right now lack it, your subconscious mind will see, yeah, you lack it, so that's not the reality we'll align to. But if you imagine that you already have it, you see it from the perspective of abundance, and your subconscious mind will quickly adjust your current reality to the reality that you imagine in your mind. Vision boards also work amazingly because they daily remind you of what it is that you want to have. If you feel, imagine, and act the way as if you already have what you want to have, that's when your reality will shift to what you believe. And that's how you'll get your dream life. Don't hold yourself back thinking like, how am I supposed to live such a great life? Because you and only you decide how great your life will be. Being stuck in life and living the same as 10 years ago is also a decision that you make. And you can decide today to start imagining your dream life, and like this, shift to the reality that you want to live. And sometimes you don't even need to have an amazing environment around you. You only need to believe it in yourself, and even in the worst environment, you'll be able to start living an amazing life. Like that, manifestation is one of the most powerful ways to get what you want. If you feel stuck in an unexplainable way in your life currently, check out this video.